Have you ever tried to shoot Christmas tree balls like this or like this? If you did, you know how challenging it could be. I'm Alex Koloskov, your Pro Club instructor, and I'm inviting you to join us on upcoming Pro Club workshop. We're going to shoot Christmas tree balls. It's a holiday season coming, it's a beautiful time to do this. But it will be not just this challenging Christmas tree ball photography, it will be, of course, it will be with Photigy twist. We already start playing with it, and you can see this is not just your regular Christmas ball photography. To do your homework, because right after the workshop, you will have your assignment to do the homework, and for those of you who will submit images, I'm going to provide my review and critique. What you will need to have: some acrylic paint, better to have metallic paint, or you may need to have some nail polish, plus, of course, better clear, but you can choose different ones, Christmas tree balls, and that's it. The rest, I'm going to show you how to photograph those Christmas tree, not just nice way, so you can do it commercially, but also how to make some creative, interesting images for your portfolio that will attract visitors to your portfolio, that will attract potential clients, and that will definitely bring joy to your face if you love product photography, same as you. Join us on this workshop. Here's the date. If you're not at Pro Club yet, you're welcome to join us and have access to this workshop, watch me online doing everything, chat with me, and basically have access to everything that we have at Pro Club. It's hundreds of tutorials, I think 65 workshops, tons of lessons for product photographers. Photigy Pro Club is the best place to learn product photography, the fastest, the most exciting, and the least expensive way comparing to any photography school out there. Okay, so I'm inviting you to join. We'll have fun. We'll have some cool thing going on. You see, I was playing with all this. You will see through the camera what is going on. You will see the lighting setup. You'll be almost like sitting in the studio while we are doing our workshop. We stream HD. We have chat. So everything for you that you can enjoy without leaving your house. You just need to have internet for this. See you on the workshop. Happy holidays, guys.